Hi everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing some of my favorite skincare and body care products from Indian brands. I have a lot of empties that I want to talk about, and I also have some of my current favorite skincare products. So let's get started. So first of all, I have a couple of products from Earth Rhythm. First product is the Earth Rhythm Exfoliating Face Cleanser with AHAs and BHAs. It cleans skin, prevents acne, clears pores, and retains skin's moisture. It has AHAs, which are derived from natural fruit acids, to remove dead cells and other impurities from your skin, to diminish fine lines and eliminate your complexion. It also has BHAs like salicylic acid that reveal younger looking skin by loosening dulling buildup on skin surface. Mildly astringent citrus oils present in this face wash minimize large pores for a radiant and refreshed appearance. It also has hyaluronic acid that reduces signs of aging and retains skin's moisture to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. I like calling these the skin polishing face wash and the skin polishing serum because after using these products, my skin looks very smooth. After this, I have the Earth Rhythm Ultimate Glow Face Serum. This has 20% vitamin C, 2.5% bioretinol, 2% salicylic acid, and 1.5% hyaluronic acid. This is supposed to boost collagen synthesis, fights the signs of aging, brightens skin, and unclog pores. This helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin, creating a plumping effect. The 2% salicylic acid present in this serum helps in the treatment of acne and unclogs pores to give a smooth, radiant glow to the skin. The consistency is clear and this has got no fragrance, just like the face wash. It is a clear serum and has no fragrance. The consistency is very light. It gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. These are really good products to include in your summer skincare routine because these clean and exfoliate your skin. Especially this serum will deliver results in just a week. It will improve the appearance of texture on your skin and the appearance of pores. My skin was visibly smoother after just a week of using this serum, and makeup looks flawless on your skin if your skin is smooth. I mean, you can cover pigmentation, but texture is something that you can't hide with makeup. After this, I have the Plum Body Love Body Oil in Vanilla Vibes. This is a lightweight body oil meant for normal to dry skin. I used it up during the winter months, but I think I have a few drops left, so I will show you the consistency of this body oil. This has a really soothing vanilla fragrance. It's non-sticky and very moisturizing. It has 9 different types of oils. If you like lightweight body oils, you are gonna love it. I think it's available in 3 variants, but Vanilla Vibes is my favorite. It smells like a cupcake, a vanilla cupcake, but again, fragrance is very personal, so if you're someone who likes vanilla fragrance, you are going to like it. The next body care product that I have is the Plum Body Lovin' Shower Gel, and the variant that I have is called Hawaiian Rumba. It smells really good. It's non-drying. It will not strip moisture off of your skin. The fragrance is not as long-lasting as the other body washes I have, but I really like it and I think I definitely will purchase this. This one was sent to me by the brand. The next product again is from Plum. I have a lot of Plum products because Plum sends me PR almost every month, so that's why I keep trying a lot of their products, and these are the ones that I used up till now. So this is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. It's a gentle soap-free non-drying face wash for oily and acne-prone skin. Along with green tea, it also has some glycolic acid to exfoliate your skin. This does foam and has cellulose scrub beads. Now there are not a lot of scrubbing beads in this product, so it's not gonna scrub your face. You can use it as a daily face wash. It has a very refreshing green tea fragrance. I'm not sure whether it controls breakouts or not, but it does clean your skin really nicely. I used it as a second step in double cleansing and it doesn't dry out your skin. It will not rip moisture off of your skin. I cannot show you the color and consistency and how it looks because this is an empty tube, but I think it had a very light green color with dark green cellulose scrub beads. After this, I have the Plum Vitamin C Serum. I have got 2 bottles because I did use up both the bottles. I have a detailed review of this serum on my channel, so if you want, you can check that out. I am going to link it in the cards. This has 15% vitamin C, and the most common problem with vitamin C serums is that they oxidize really quickly and they turn yellow or orange, but this one doesn't, and I'd say that this is my favorite affordable vitamin C serum. This is a really good serum for you if you're struggling from from hyperpigmentation, dark spots or blemishes. Now this is not going to make them disappear, but it will improve the appearance of your hyperpigmentation or dark spots or whatever pigmentation problems you have. It's a really good serum in this price range, and that's what I think after using 2 bottles of this serum. After this, I have the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% serum. This has the most nourishing consistency a serum can have. It's a really good serum for dry skin. The 10% niacinamide in the serum clarifies skin, blemishes, and soothes active acne. It's for all skin types. It also has Japanese sake to improve the appearance of texture on your skin. This serum is both soothing and effective. This bottle is also empty, so I am going to show you the consistency of this product from another bottle. I have one more bottle of this serum. The final Plum product that I have is the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is a cleansing balm and it can be used as step 1 in double cleansing. It's non-drying and is made for all skin types. It comes in this big tub and you also get a spatula with this. This one is empty, but I have another one, so I'm going to show you how it looks. It makes the skin very plump and glowy, and it removes 100% makeup, even waterproof makeup. It can also remove sunscreen. It's a huge tub, and this one was my first tub and it took a lot of time to exhaust it. So if you're not sure about the product, they also have a small pack of ₹99. You can purchase that first and try it on your skin. If you like it, you can purchase the bigger one. After this, I have a product from Dr. Shades. This is the Dr. Shades Bakuchil and Peptide Serum. The consistency of this serum is more like a moisturizer, a very light moisturizer. It has no fragrance. I applied it after cleansing and toning. This again is an empty product. There is 0.5% Bakuchil in this serum that improves cell turnover. It also has 4% niacinamide and evening primrose oil. I use this serum to prep my face before applying any other serum. I applied it after cleansing and toning. Overall, this is a really good serum to repair your skin. The final product that I have is from Neemly. This is the Hyaluronic and Vitamin C Serum. This has 12% vitamin C for brightening, and it also has hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrates and plumps your skin. This serum targets pigmentation, and this can also be used as a makeup primer. Now, along with 12% vitamin C, this also has niacinamide, aloe vera leaf extract, and witch hazel extract. Another thing that I want to mention here is that this serum is on the expensive side. It retails for ₹2,250 and you get 30 ml of product. It's a water-based serum. I like the packaging. It's not going to oxidize. This also has a very mild and soothing fragrance. It's extremely lightweight. It can be used by all skin types. Overall, if you like purchasing serums in this price range, you should definitely try this out. This again is something that will give you visible results. These are the serums that I have been using, and I can say that all of these work together and they have made the appearance of my pigmentation a lot better. All of these were empties except the Earth Rhythm Serum. If I give you my skincare routine, I can only talk about the products that I'm using currently. Those are not the only products that helped in improving my skin. So that's why I thought that I will do this video where I am going to show you all my empties. And these are the serums that I've used up in the last 6 months. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.